Welcome to my YouTube channel, how to request payment from PayPal. So the first thing, we come to PayPal dashboard, then we'll see two buttons here, all request. This is a personal PayPal account. So after that, come here and see and type either the name, the username, or the email, or the phone. For this case, we'll type the email. Then we see it tells us that you can request multiple payment up to 20 people. So once that is done, we'll be able to see next. Then we'll come here and type the amount of dollars that we are requesting. This is a client that who I had worked for. Then it tells us we can add somebody else. What is this payment for? The payment is for so what is this payment for? The reason is YouTube script writing and partial SEO ranking of web blogs. We'll say request, and I'm sure the request has gone. We say it's successful. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials.